Ready for today's new letter quiz? Let's go! Today's adventure is with the letter T. T says T. Spot the pictures that start with T. Yes, here they are. Top, tree, tent, and turtle. Great job! Can you find the different tiger? Look, they are shaped like the letter T. T is for tiger. Yes, there it is. It's wearing sunglasses. Great job! Now choose your toy. The word toy starts with the letter T. So cute! Which word starts with T? Truck, bus, or car? Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes. It's the word truck. It starts with the letter T. Let's move on to our memory quiz. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, where is the letter T hiding? Do you remember? Yes! It's hiding behind spot number 6. Can you find the small letter T? Yay! There it is! T is for tub. Would you rather have a tub full of bubbles or a mystery gift tub? Choose carefully. Yay! It's a tub full of toys. Can you guess the picture from its shadow? It starts with the letter T. Yes! It's a telephone. Great job! Spot the pictures that start with T. Yes, here they are. Tire, tape, and turkey. Well done! Great job, little geniuses. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye.